Well, nice and dry today.
Surprisingly.
It was nice.
I enjoyed it.
You know, we are looking at several different models, and all the models indicating that showers are coming in from the Gulf of Mexico. And I know John had said it this morning too. We get some in the afternoon and evening, but they're just not happening. Dry air filtered in, so I think they need to tweak those models a little bit. You know, I saw that dry air a couple days ago too, and it was kind of wrapping around in it. And it's the same kind of dry air that shut down Irma when it came up the Florida interior spine there. We are looking at some great photos. These were from showers that were around yesterday, and we did have the rain yesterday. Dylan John got this one, and a nice rainbow over Sarasota Bay. This one from the airport in Venice as the storms were rolling in. Bill Shaw sending this one in too. I want to show those delightful photos there. This one from a pilot flying in right there on the runway at Sarasota Airport. He's got the front seat, obviously. He must be the pilot. I think that's what he said. And then a double rainbow shot from Matt Smith. Matt Art there, and I appreciate that. Appreciate all the shots. And get a look at the wave action. A little high. Seas running 2 to 3 feet. There were some advisories as far as caution goes exercised out there due to that wind. That was kind of windy, up to 15 to 20 miles an hour at times. And looks like that wind associated with this area of low pressure, which continues now to move into the panhandle of Florida. So it's moving further away from us. We're still getting that draw from the southwest, and that moisture availability is still around. Despite the dry air in the upper levels of the atmosphere, there's still plenty of moisture at the surface, and you can see some of those storms really popping up here and pushing to the northeast. Some showers down to the south in the Charlotte Harbor, pushing off to northeast, but nothing really going on here in Manatee and Sarasota counties. I do believe it will be back, though, later tonight and after midnight specifically, as well as right around sunrise tomorrow, as there's still some energy out here that will feed our way. But you'll notice these showers have been around. They kind of weaken as they push in to that drier air that wrapped around into the west central coast of Florida. Rainfall estimates not all that impressive down to Inglewood. We had up to 6/10 of an inch of rainfall there over the past 12 hours. There's that dry air I mentioned. You can see a close-up look of it. It's still over Hillsborough, Pinellas, also into Polk County, Manatee and Sarasota counties, although it's lessening somewhat down here. And we will see a chance for a few storms. The Futurecast is showing that later on tonight. This is at 1 a.m. Again, a possibility, some rumble of thunder. And then in the morning, just after sunrise, a chance. And you'll see the main development there inland pushing off to the north. Now, this is going to be the case on Thursday and Friday. But by Saturday, we're going to get back to an east to southeasterly wind, which will push those storms toward the coast in the afternoon and evening. So a better chance to get some more coastal showers, I think, on Saturday and Sunday with a lot of tropical moisture down to our south. You can see another flare-up of storms south of Cuba. This is not the area that we're too concerned about, but long-range models, we've been watching them for the past week now, and the GFS continues to want to spin something up down here in the Western Caribbean Sea and then take it off toward Florida next week, not this week, but next week. And you can see the water temperatures are warmer down here, much warmer into the mid-80s, as you see right there. So they have a better chance of developing. Water temperatures by us are marginal at best, mid to upper 70s there. And the reason why the Pacific starts a little earlier than we do, they have water temperatures already near 90 degrees. We'll get there, but that usually doesn't happen until at the end of July. Those winds will stay out of the south tomorrow and southwest, bringing some moisture our way, a shower or two, as I said, in the morning hours, and then again in the afternoon and evening. Currently, we have 82 degrees, the humidity at 71%, winds are out of the southwest at 15, and the pressure 29.92. 85 today, the high, 70 was the low, and as far as the rainfall goes, 1,500ths of an inch of rainfall at the Sarasota Brayden Airport. Here's the forecast as it looks for boaters tomorrow. Scattered storms, south winds at 15 knots, and seas will be 2 to 3 feet. With a moderate chop out there. The 7-day forecast, 40% chance for rain tomorrow, and then a 50% to 60% on the weekend. The weekend will be in the afternoon and evening, pushing back toward the coast. Those could be a little bit more intense and could give us a better chance for coastal showers and storms. Back to you.